How to charge your battery from car boot? You can charge your battery from engine compartment, but sometimes it's convenient to charge in the car boot. For example, if you parked outside and battery is flat, you want to charge and it is raining. So in this way, you just take your extension into the boot and open this cover and connect the positive over there, that nut, and connect the negative here, this nut. Then you can switch on your charger. So you can leave it over there to charge, and you can close your car boot or tailgate. So if it's raining, doesn't matter, still keep charging. The lights in the car boot will be switched off automatically in about 15 minutes.